I've been trying to figure out what to do with these corks for a while, and then it hit me. In this video, I'll share how I used a few corks and some simple materials from around the house to create foam stamps. I used a foam dish rag. You also could use a little bit of craft foam. And I cut simple shapes and glued them onto the ends of the corks. It is as simple as that, but I'm going to show you some little extras I added to make them more useful, both in my home art practice as well as with my art classes at school. Once I had the foam glued to each of the corks, I wanted to create a label for each so that on the top of the cork I would see an image of what the stamp looked like. I stamped each of these onto some masking tape and let the paint dry. Once it was dry, I cut out each of the images and attached it to the top of the corresponding stamp. Originally, I thought I was being very clever by doing this on masking tape and thought it would attach quite well to the corks, but no. Because the corks are so porous and the adhesive on the masking tape isn't that strong, it turned out that later I needed to add a bit of glue. You'll see that in a second. These stamps are great for people of all ages. Kids would enjoy using them in some basic art process experimentation, and I know I'm also going to enjoy using them in my journals, maybe on some cards. This last stamp, when I had created an image of it earlier, I wasn't happy with how it turned out on the masking tape, so I stamped it onto an extra envelope and was able to cut out that image and attach it to the top as a better representation of what the stamp looked like. I'm using a bit of gel medium. You also could use some PVA glue or even some Mod Podge school glue to further attach and seal these to the tops of each of the stamps. And here you go. A nice array of simple foam stamps ready to be used in some cool art. Thanks for watching.